Welcome to Made Before Your Eyes. Today, you'll witness the complete journey of building a modern skyscraper. From an empty piece of land to a breathtaking tower that transforms an entire city's skyline forever. Long before the first shovel touches the ground, architects and engineers spend months designing every floor, every support column, and every structural connection, ensuring this future skyscraper will safely stand strong for generations to come. Before a single bucket of soil is removed, surveyors carefully measure every inch of the site using advanced laser technology, ensuring the future skyscraper begins in the exact position the engineers carefully designed. With every measurement carefully verified, the construction team is finally ready to begin excavation. Precision at this stage protects every foundation, every column, and every floor that will soon rise into the skyline. The first excavation begins with remarkable precision as every bucket of soil follows the survey team's exact measurements, creating the foundation that will support one of tomorrow's tallest and strongest structures. As excavation continues, every layer of soil is carefully removed according to the engineering plans. Each precise cut brings the future foundation one step closer to supporting an incredible skyscraper that will stand for generations. Made before your eyes. After excavation reaches the required depth, inspectors carefully examine the ground to confirm it can safely support the enormous weight of the skyscraper before foundation construction officially begins. Gigantic steel reinforcement cages are carefully lowered into place, forming the powerful internal framework that will give the skyscraper's foundation its extraordinary strength and long-lasting stability. Before concrete can be poured, every steel reinforcement cage is carefully secured, inspected, and precisely positioned to guarantee maximum strength, durability, and structural performance for decades to come. The first concrete is carefully poured around the reinforced steel, creating the solid foundation that will carry the tremendous weight of the skyscraper safely for generations to come. Powerful concrete vibrators remove trapped air while specialists carefully finish the surface, creating an incredibly dense, durable foundation that will support this magnificent skyscraper for many generations. Made before your eyes. As the concrete begins curing, specialists carefully control its temperature and moisture, allowing the foundation to develop the extraordinary strength needed to support the skyscraper for decades. While the first foundation continues curing, crews immediately begin assembling the next reinforcement cage, keeping construction moving forward with remarkable precision, teamwork, and carefully planned efficiency. Powerful cranes carefully lower the finished reinforcement cage into position, while skilled crews guide every inch with remarkable precision and teamwork. High-strength concrete now flows around the reinforcement cage as skilled crews carefully remove air pockets, creating an incredibly strong skyscraper foundation. As the massive foundation begins curing, engineers carefully inspect every detail, preparing the skyscraper for the incredible construction ahead. Made before your eyes. While the foundation gains strength below, surveyors precisely mark the building layout, preparing every column to rise in exactly the right place. The first massive steel column now rises from the finished foundation, marking the exciting beginning of the skyscraper's journey skyward. Steel beams now connect to the first column, forming the powerful framework that will support every floor of the skyscraper. More steel columns and beams rise into place, transforming the strong foundation into the growing skeleton of a magnificent skyscraper. The skyscraper's steel skeleton continues reaching higher, bringing the incredible vision to life one beam at a time. Made before your eyes. Every perfectly placed steel beam lifts this incredible skyscraper even higher, as skilled crews transform a growing framework into a breathtaking structure that dominates the skyline. With every new floor securely installed, this remarkable skyscraper grows stronger and taller as skilled construction crews keep the entire project moving with extraordinary precision and teamwork. As sturdy floor decking is carefully secured across the steel framework, each completed section prepares the skyscraper for the powerful concrete floors that will soon follow. Fresh concrete flows smoothly across the completed floor decking as skilled crews carefully level every section to create exceptionally strong foundation for the floors above. With another strong floor complete, construction immediately begins rising even higher as every new level brings this extraordinary skyscraper closer to completion. Made before your eyes. First exterior support systems are carefully installed as construction crews prepare to surround this remarkable skyscraper with towering walls of brilliant glass. Massive glass panels are precisely secured into place, transforming the growing steel framework into a stunning skyscraper with a sleek and modern exterior. Each perfectly aligned glass panel brings this magnificent skyscraper closer to its final appearance, creating a brilliant exterior that reflects the beauty of the surrounding city. As the final glass panels complete the elegant exterior, skilled crews continue building the essential systems that will bring this magnificent skyscraper to life. Inside and out, skilled professionals complete the final details that transform this remarkable skyscraper into a beautiful place where thousands of people will work and gather. Inside and out, skilled professionals complete the final details that transform this remarkable skyscraper into a beautiful place where thousands of people will work and gather. The completed skyscraper now welcomes its first visitors, becoming a vibrant destination where remarkable architecture and an everyday life come together in the heart of the city. Throughout the completed skyscraper, advanced systems, elegant workspaces, and dedicated professionals now keep this extraordinary building operating smoothly from morning until night. Another busy day begins as this extraordinary skyscraper continues serving thousands of people through outstanding engineering, thoughtful design, and the dedication of skilled professionals. From an empty construction site to an inspiring architectural landmark, this extraordinary skyscraper now serves its community with strength, beauty, and innovation. As evening arrives, this magnificent skyscraper continues serving the city with remarkable efficiency, elegant design, and the dedicated teamwork that keeps everything operating seamlessly. Behind every successful skyscraper, dedicated professionals work together every day to keep this remarkable building safe, efficient, and welcoming for everyone who visits. Long after sunset, skilled professionals continue working together to keep this remarkable skyscraper operating safely, efficiently, and beautifully throughout the night. Day and night, dedicated professionals keep this extraordinary skyscraper standing strong, serving its community with excellence, made before your eyes. Every new day begins with dedicated professionals working together to keep this extraordinary skyscraper welcoming, efficient, and ready for everyone it serves. Thousands of daily activities come together inside this extraordinary skyscraper because dedicated professionals carefully manage every detail with outstanding teamwork and exceptional commitment. From welcoming visitors to maintaining advanced building systems, every dedicated professional helps this extraordinary skyscraper operate with remarkable precision every single day. Every successful day inside this extraordinary skyscraper is made possible by skilled professionals whose dedication, precision, and teamwork keep every system operating at its very best. Every remarkable achievement inside this extraordinary skyscraper reflects the dedication and excellence of the professionals who keep it operating every single day. Made before your eyes, every detail inside this extraordinary skyscraper is carefully maintained by dedicated professionals whose skill, precision, and teamwork keep everything operating seamlessly each day. As another productive day continues, dedicated professionals work together behind the scenes to keep this extraordinary skyscraper operating safely, efficiently, and reliably for everyone. As evening approaches, dedicated professionals continue working together to ensure this extraordinary skyscraper transitions smoothly, safely, and efficiently into the night. With every system working in perfect harmony, this extraordinary skyscraper remains ready to serve the city at every hour because dedicated professionals never stop delivering excellence. Even after sunset, thousands of intelligent systems work together every second to keep this extraordinary skyscraper operating with incredible precision, made before your eyes. Although it appears perfectly still, This extraordinary skyscraper is carefully engineered to flex, absorb powerful winds, and remain remarkably stable through changing weather conditions. Hidden behind these walls, an incredible network of pumps, pipes, and rooftop water tanks delivers fresh water throughout this extraordinary skyscraper every single day. Deep inside this extraordinary skyscraper, high-speed elevators and intelligent control systems move people quickly, smoothly, and safely between dozens of towering floors every single day. Sustainable by design, built for the future. Every modern skyscraper is carefully designed to reduce energy use, protect the environment, and create a healthier tomorrow for everyone. A greener skyscraper means a better world, sustainability forever. Extraordinary skyscrapers shape a brighter future. From rooftop maintenance platforms to the lowest glass panels, every exterior surface is carefully inspected and preserved to keep this extraordinary skyscraper shining brilliantly, made before your eyes. Hidden above the skyline, powerful communication systems help connect this extraordinary skyscraper to the digital world every second of every day. Hidden throughout this extraordinary skyscraper, advanced fire safety systems stand ready to protect the building through intelligent engineering and carefully designed layers of protection. Lightning protection systems safely guide powerful electrical energy into the ground, helping this extraordinary skyscraper remain protected during even the most powerful storms. Advanced drones and digital building models help engineers inspect this extraordinary skyscraper with remarkable speed, accuracy, and precision. Hidden near the top of this extraordinary skyscraper, a massive tuned mass damper helps reduce building movement, making every floor more comfortable. Made before your eyes. From remarkable engineering to the hidden systems that keep every floor operating, every skyscraper tells an incredible story of innovation, design, and human achievement. Thank you for watching Made Before Your Eyes.